So what is an assignment of contract? An assignment of contract is still a contract. It's an agreement that you are having your buyer sign. So many buyers like us, we want to see the contract that we are buying, right? We want to see what it is that you agreed with the seller on. But you should not be showing that until you have an assignment of agreement signed first. This assignment agreement is going to stipulate how much that buyer is going to pay you for that contract, right? This is your assignment fee. That's where you're going to get that. And if you do non-refundable deposits or anything, all of that is going to be in that assignment fee. You want to make sure before you give out any of the contract details or anything like that, you have this assignment fee signed, filled out by the buyer and signed, and then you send that to title or to your attorney to make sure that that gets recorded. So that property cannot be closed without you getting paid. So an assignment of contract is exactly that. It's a contract of you assigning your equitable interest on the contract that you have with the seller to sell it to the buyer.